Friends, today I will explain how to create educational videos using smartphone and how to reduce those size of the educational videos. So for this one, you just go to this Play Store. Okay, in that Play Store, just click screen record with audio. In that you just select this blue color one, that is screen recorder Kimchi 929 tools, so which does not contain any ads. So just click on this one. If you didn't install this one, just it will show as install. If as already installed, so it is showing open option. So I will just directly open that particular app. In that you just go to the settings. You have to change some settings. Okay, so what are those settings? As you have to keep that resolution as this one only. If you want to change the resolution so that video quality will also be reduced, and orientation you have to select as landscape, because I explain PPT, so I will select this landscape. And the bit rate also you can select 4 Mbps, 6 Mbps, 2 Mbps. I will keep as this. And frame rate also, if you want to reduce the quality only, then you have to experiment with this. So I can select 60 fps or 30 frames per second. So I will keep as this. And after that, whether if I want to record that particular video using a microphone, then you have to use attach that headset, and after that you have to select this record audio using microphone. And after that, one more important option is if you go to this show camera. Okay, if you want to show the camera, then you have to select this front camera. Okay, you can select this camera. If you want to take this one, okay, if you want to show that one by using front camera, so you can use this front camera option. And if you want to get the circle kind of thing, whatever in that circle only I am showing, right? So if you want to get that feeling, then just select this 1:1 ratio. Once all these options got selected, okay, so now I will go to the PPT. So I can store that PPTs in the Google Slides, so that I can open directly Google Gmail. In that I may have the PPT. Otherwise you can download the PPT, or otherwise you have in the WhatsApp. Then I will open this WhatsApp. So I will just, for example, I will open one PPT. So once this PPT got opened, okay, so this one will be, you can place anywhere. Okay, this video you can place anywhere. So I will place here, and after that I will start explaining what is virtual classroom. So what is conventional classroom, what is virtual classroom. So once this PPT got explained, so if you want to any annotation, just go to this tab, and in that you just select this draw option. Okay, so that you will select annotations like message tools and online whiteboard. And if you want to write something, then you can directly write on the screen. Okay, you can explain like that. If you don't want that one, then just click on this one, so that annotations will gone. Okay, once that all the slides got explained like this, then you can directly go to this one top, and you can click on this stop button. Once I got if I stop this one, then automatically this video got recorded, and after that it will be shown. So I will click on stop. Once again, good evening friends. So this one, you just open this screen recorder. Okay, whatever the just now I have recorded that one, right? That it will be shown. That is with 63.53 MB, which is of 3 minutes. Okay, the duration. So that video size, if I record for 40 minutes, means that will be around some almost like it will be around 500 MB, or for example it will be around 700 MB, like that you will get. So for reducing the size of that particular video, there is another app is there. So you just go to this one. Okay, once again you go to this Play Store, and you just click on this one, and you just select this video compressor. So in that video compress, just go to this video compress. Okay, this app. Okay, whatever this app is there, right? So that app. So select that video compress Mel Studio apps, and after that you just, as I already installed, it is directly showing open. So just go to this open. Okay, go to this wherever which file you want to compress. So as it is there in the screen recorder app, it is of 61 MB, so I will select that one. Okay, next go to the particular this one is my video, so I will select that particular video. Okay, I will select this compressed video. So once this compressed video is there, just go to this custom. Okay, in that it is showing 60 MB. So whatever the file that I recorded, that is of 60 MB size. So if I want to reduce the particular size, then just change this resolution, video resolution. Okay, so which is something. Okay, so if you reduce the video size, means automatically quality will be reduced, but file size will get reduced. So it is of 60 MB, so now I have that 20 MB or 10 MB. So like this you can select that particular and you click on compress video, so it will automatically get compressed. Okay, so once that compressed, so you can directly send that through WhatsApp or any other platform. That's it. So if you want to stop this recording, just go to this one and just click on this stop. So I'm clicking on this one. So this video may be useful to you. Thank you.